What's up guys, it's me, Jamie Agric. So the question is that, what is a job visa? I am from India. I have one doubt. What is a job visa? What a simple question, but a lot of people ask this question, what is a job visa? There is a visa called tourist visa, which I can go anywhere. Which which is a tourist visa for a country which I can go. In that country I can do hallelujah, hallelujah. I can eat, I can sleep, but I cannot do any profit making activity on their land. It's not like you can't run your YouTube channel online income, but you cannot like work, you cannot start your business, you cannot get a job. That is called tourist visa. But the job visa is between tourist visa and a permanent visa or PR. Job visa is that you can work certain period of time, maybe 4 year, like in Korea, they give 4 year job visa, but after 4 year they will ask you to go back and come back again, because according to Korea law, South Korean law, if you stay 5 year in their country, you will be eligible for the PR. So they will force you to go. So job visa is that you can legally work. In certain field. Maybe a job visa say you can work in any field, or maybe a job visa say you can work only in this field. So is that you can legally work. Maybe a policeman or immigration officer stop you, show me a visa. You say yes, I have a job visa. Job visa is like a work permit. You are allowed to work legally. If you have any more question, my email address is in the description box below. Check out the links. If you wanna change your life, read the book The Power of the Habit. Subscribe and bye.